In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira AI features to automate search, planning, documentation, and workflow management. If you're an agile engineer, product owner, scrum master, or delivery lead, you already know how much time can disappear into comment threads, manual task creation, and complicated searches. Instead of spending that energy on admin work, Jira's built-in AI tools can help you move faster and keep your team focused on shipping real work. In this walkthrough, we'll log in, use natural language to generate JQL, break down an epic with AI, summarize long issue discussions, create automations with plain English, and then do a final check before going live. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to your Atlassian site, or sign in through the official Atlassian login page if that's how your organization accesses the workspace. Once your dashboard loads, take a moment to confirm that the AI features are available in your environment. In many modern premium and enterprise setups, Atlassian intelligence and related AI capabilities are already built into the interface, so you may see them without any extra setup. Next, go to the global search area at the top of Jira and open filters or view all issues. In the search field, type what you want in normal English. For example, you might enter a request for unresolved high priority bugs assigned to you and due this week. After you press enter, Jira can translate that plain language request into JQL behind the scenes. This is especially useful if you know what you need but don't want to memorize query syntax. From there, move into your project board or backlog and open an epic or another large parent work item. In the issue details area, look for the AI suggestion tool or child issue generator. When you select it, Jira analyzes the context of the epic and suggests child tasks or stories for you. Review the suggestions carefully, adjust any wording that needs refinement, and then apply them to create the task structure. If you open an issue with a long comment history, scroll to the activity or comments section and use the summarize comments option. This gives you a quick overview of key decisions and action items so you can catch up faster. If you want to improve a description or write a better comment, type /AI in the editor to open the prompt tool and refine the text directly. To automate repetitive work, open project settings, then automation, and create a new rule. In the AI prompt field, describe the workflow you want in plain English. Jira can interpret that request and build the rule structure for you, including triggers and actions. Before you finish, review your project carefully. Make sure the generated child tasks make sense, your search filters save properly, your automation rules validate without errors, and your dashboards display cleanly. Once everything looks right, your updated AI-assisted Jira workflow is ready to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.